my name is Charlie, and today I'm going to be showing you how easy it is to cook an omelet. So here I have my pan on medium heat. Then I have 2 eggs. You can use 2 to 3. I'm going to be using 2, as you can see right there. You're going to want to add in a little milk. If you don't have milk, you can substitute it for water. I like to use milk though. Then you want to stir it up so you break the yolks and also mix them in with the milk. So you want to make it so it's all like one color. You don't want to see different whites or yellows, and you don't want any big chunks of yolk. All smooth and nice. You want to mix that up good. Okay. Then I have my ingredients over here. I have here cheese and ham right here. And then I also have some salt and pepper. You can use any ingredients that you want. For me, I'm using ham. You can use steak, chicken, whatever you want. And then cheese, you can use any type. I'm using cheddar. And then you can also add in other stuff like veggies, like peppers, green beans, spinach, whatever you want. Then I have some butter here that you're going to want to cut about like a tablespoon. And you have a little chart here that tells you what it is. And then you're going to want to put that into the pan. So you want it so it takes up, the melted butter takes up about the whole bottom of the pan. So you're going to want to like move it around a little bit. This is so the eggs don't stick to the pan and it's easy to flip. Okay, so it's taken up the whole bottom of the pan. There's still a little butter left, but that's okay. So now I'm going to pour in my mixed eggs with the milk that we mixed in. And then it's still at medium heat. So you're going to want to leave it there. And eventually you'll see on the outside it's going to start forming like solid egg. So as that happens, you want to take your rubber spatula or anything. I'm using a rubber one. And then you want to sort of peel out the outsides and let the juice come out like under it. And just peel in the already formed egg into the middle. Like so. And then there should be the liquid come behind it as you move it towards the middle. Okay? And so as it gets forming more and more, and you can see it really taking shape, you're going to want to add in your salt and pepper. So that is what I'm going to do now. You don't want to put too much in, or it's going to take over the flavor of the egg and the cheese and whatever ingredients you're using. Just enough to seasoning up. So now it's starting to form, so you don't want to leave it too cooked. So now you're going to want to put in your ingredients. Mine would be the cheese and ham. So, and you want to spread it out pretty evenly so you get a bite of ham and cheese in every single bite. So there we go. And then put your cheese. Okay. So now it's about ready to be flipped. Okay, so you want to make sure that it's not too liquidy, but you don't want to make it like perfectly solid, and then that'll be probably overcooked. So mine I think is a good texture right now. So now what you want to do is you want to take one of the edges and just flip it over the other edge. Like that. And you don't have to do it like a perfect flip and stuff. You can leave like the outside so it's not like over flipped if you want, because that won't matter as long as you flip it onto the plate right. So now we're going to leave that together on the pan for a little bit. You're going to take your plate. You're going to make sure it's on the edge. Then you're going to flip it over onto the plate. You want to make it presentable. And then I'm going to take it over here and cut a little bit of the ham and cheese omelet that we just made. So I can see the ham and the cheese. Get some of the ham and cheese right now. That's good. And I didn't put too much salt and pepper, but you can definitely taste it, and you can taste every single thing. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.